Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. Now let us start the next chapter, Decimals, Class 6. Decimals. So let us see an example. For example, Savita and Lata were going to market to buy some stationery items. Now Savita said, I have 6 rupees 75 paise. Lata said, I have 9 rupees 50 paise. Now, then how to represent these rupees and paise into rupees using decimals? So, then we can write the 6 rupees 75 paise into rupees 6.75 and 10 rupees 50 paise is rupees 10.50. 10 rupees 50 paise. So, then there are some situations where we use decimals in our day-to-day life. Now, let us learn about the first decimal part, that is tenths. Tenths. So, we know the place values of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Similarly, we can write tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. First, let us see the tenths. So, for example, Raju has a pencil of length 8 centimeters for millimeters. Then Ravi has a pencil of length, it is equal to 10 centimeters 6 millimeters. So, how to represent the length of pencils in the decimal number? So, as we know that 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. Then 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So, here 1 by 10 centimeter can also be written as 0.1 cm. So, here 8 centimeters 4 millimeters can be written as 8 centimeter plus, that is 4 millimeters means 4 by 10 centimeters. That is equal to 8.4 centimeters. Similarly, here 10 centimeters, 6 millimeters means 6 by 10 centimeters. That is equal to 10.6 centimeters. So, to understand more about the decimal, the tens part, so let us divide, let us represent the whole by a black. Whole by a black. So, this represent the whole. If the black is divided into 10 equal parts, so the each part represents 1/10. The each part represents 1/10. The each part represents 1/10. This can be written as 1 by 10, that is equal to 0.1. We take another part. So, there are two parts. Then we write. So, by adding these two, we get 0.2. That is 2 by 10. Now, here the decimal point lies between the whole part 0.1 in the tenths part. So, 1 in the tenths part. So, here 1 is tenths place, 0 is ones place. between the whole part in the tens part. So if you want to write 6.7 in the place value, we can write ones place, tens place. 6.7. Here ones place 6, tens place is 7. Here ones place is 6, tens place is 7. We can read as 6.7. Now if you want to write 81.9, so then we take tens, ones, tens. That is tens place is 8, ones place is 1, tens place is 9. So this becomes 81.9. Okay. Now representing decimal numbers on number line. Representing decimal numbers on number line. Now for example, if you want to represent 1.4 and 2.8 on the number line. So let us draw the number line. First let us draw a number line. So here we take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now represent the 1.4 on the number line. First, if you represent 1.4, so after 1 and 2, let's make 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. So out of this 10 equal parts, we want fourth part. So fourth part, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this represents 1.4. This represents 1.4. Now next 2.8 on the number line. First 2 and 3. Here also we make the 10 equal parts. And so out of this 10 equal parts, we want 8th part. So 8th part. This represents 2.8. This represents 2.8. Okay. Now let us see the fractions as decimals. Fractions as decimals. Now fraction with denominator 10 can be written as in the form of decimal number. Fraction with denominator 10 can be written as in the form of decimal numbers. So let us take an example, that is 12 by 5. 12 by 5 for example. So but the denominator is not equal to 10. So the fractions with the denominator 10 can be written as in the form of fractions. Form of decimal number. So if you consult the fraction 12 by 5, so let us make the denominator 10. So here 5 2 times 10. So we multiply here denominator and numerator by 2. That is 12 into 2 by 5 into 2. So 12 to the 24 by 5 to the 10. So here the denominator is 10. So this can be written as 2.4 in the decimal number. 2.4 in the decimal number. So as the number of zeros is the denominator is 1. So we place the decimal point 1 digit before or right side of the number. So as the number of zeros is the denominator is 1. So we place the decimal point 1 digit before from the right side. 1 digit before from the right side. Now if you take the another example, that is 7 by 2. So if 7 by 2, write the denominator is 10. That is 2 5 times makes 10. So we multiply 7 into 5 by 2 into 5. That is 7 5s are 35. 2 5s are 10. That is equal to 35 by 10. Here the denominator is 10. So this can be written as 3.5. This can be written as 3.5. Next, now decimals as fractions. Decimals as fractions. Now, if any decimal number is given, so it can be written in the form of fraction. If any decimal number is given, so it can be written in the form of fraction. Let us convert the decimal number into fraction. So, let us for example 2.4. So, how to represent 2.4 in the form of fractions? So, let us write 2.4. It is equal to 2 plus 0.4 means 4 by 10. It is equal to 2 can be written as 2 into 10 by 10 plus 4 by 10. That is equal to 2 tens are 20 by 10 plus 4 by 10. So here the denominators are equal. So simply we add the numerators, that is 20 plus 4 by 10, that is equal to 24 by 10. 24 by 10, if you write in the simplest form is 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2, 5s are, that is 2 12s are 24, 2 5s are 10s, that is 12 by 5. Let us take another example, that is 5.6. Here 5.6, it is equal to 5 can be written as 5 plus 6 by 10. Here 5 can be written as 5 into 10 by 10 plus 6 by 10. That is equal to 5 tens are 50 by 10. It is plus 6 by 10. Here the denominators are equal. So simply we add the numerators keeping the same denominator. That is 50 plus 6 by 10. That is equal to 56 by 10. So if you write the simplest form of this, 2 8s are 2 5s are, that is equal to 28 by 5. Okay, this way we have to convert the decimals to fractions and fractions to decimals. Okay students, if you like this video, like, share, comment, and if you want more videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Thank you for watching. Thank you students.